You know birds are actually fucking cameras? Cause you know why?
Why?
Oh shit.
Cause that's fucking talons or some fucking they fucking those fucking things they fucking charge up on them.
What?
They get their electricity from the fucking power lines. That's why they don't go.
Dude, you know what you just look like?
What?
You film me real quick. Put that shit out.
Copy.
Dude, you're like, just sitting there.
Yeah, you know birds are motherfucking spy cameras.
So you like the party so much you're gonna stroke it.
Oh!